Thank you, Your Honor. Michelle, if you can bring back up 1830 for a moment. 1830, I'm sorry. Amber, we were talking about this right before the break. It still has my highlight. Which color is underneath the other?
Objection. Calls for speculation.
Chicken, based on your perception, which color is
I'll
underneath?
sustain the objection.
All right, let's do this. Let's bring up defendant's 375, which is already into evidence. I think I need to clear that highlight, Your Honor, but I don't have the control on mine. There we go. Thank you.
It's in the top right corner if you need it, but that's fine.
Thank you. Oh, there it is. My menu was hidden. Amber, I'm going to ask you to take a look at, this is the picture that we saw earlier. And do you see the area that's written in red here?
Yes.
Okay. What, if anything, did you have to do with the writing of that red?
Nothing.
Do you, before this trial, did you know who Carly Simon was?
I might have heard her music, but no, I didn't.
Okay. Did you know what songs Carly Simon wrote or sang?
No, you had to tell me.
Thank you. All right. And then if you can just remember this picture, again, the red area there that I've circled, and then I'm going to ask Michelle to take this one down and put 1830 back up. And I'm going to ask you to take a look at this. What, if anything, did you do to this mirror with respect to the black or the red?
I didn't touch it.
Okay. And what, if any, pictures did you take?
I took a picture of it was the picture we had right before this, is the one I took because it was in the bathroom where I found my clothes in the tub and stuff like that.
Okay. And let's go to 374, please. That's already in evidence. Is that the picture you're referring to?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and I'm sorry, I just want to make sure that I understand. What else was in this bathroom where this mirror was?
The bathtub and another mirror, which also had writing on it. The bathtub had a few of my clothes in it and paint. And both of the two mirrors were painted. I believe I took a picture of both mirrors.
Okay. And then I'm going to ask you, Michelle, if you can bring us back to 1831. And did you take this picture?
No.
Okay. And do you see in the mirror there, can you see the bathtub in the back there?
Yes, I can.
All right. Was that the bathtub that you're referring to?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And that had your clothes in it?
Objection leading.
I'm sorry. What, if anything, did it have in the bathtub?
A few of my clothes with paint on them.
Okay.
You can see, I think that's what I see in the corner of the mirror.
Okay. And then let's go to 377 for a moment. That was in evidence already. And do you recall seeing this picture earlier?
I do.
Okay. And now let's go to 1829, please. Does that appear to be the same lampshade but in color?
It does appear that.
Okay,
It is.
thank you. All right, now let's just go through. I'm going to ask you to take a look at 1834. And what does this depict that you can recall?
That is the TV that Johnny threw the cup of coffee at.
Okay. And let's go to 1835. And what does this depict?
One of the sofas in the living room next to the kitchen with blood on it.
Okay. And then let's go to 1837. And what does this depict?
It's one of the guest bedrooms with Johnny's iPad on the bed and blood and or paint on the duvet cover.
All right, thank you. Now let's do 1838. And what does this depict?
A lampshade or a lamp that has been robbed of the shade.
Okay. Let's go to 1839. What does this depict?
A different bed with more blood on it.
Then let's go to 1840. And what does this depict?
Blood on one of the guitars that Johnny was apparently trying to play.
Okay. Then you didn't try to play the guitar.
Objection, Your Honor.
What
Calls
if
for
any-
speculation.
I didn't even get the words
Overruled
out.
at this point. Next, your question. Go ahead.
Okay. What, if any, effort did you make to play a guitar?
I've never played the guitar.
Okay. Let's go to 1841. What does this depict?
It is where Johnny slammed the end of a bottle into the wall while holding me up against it.
Is this in the bar area?
This happened in 2 rooms, so it's hard to tell.
Okay.
The bottle into the wall, the best of my recollection, happened in the kitchenette bar area downstairs, but I can't be 100% certain.
Okay. And let's go to 1842. What does this depict?
Another broken lamp.
Okay. And then I've just got a few more left. 1805. And what does this depict?
Wine spill. It looks like the remnants of a wine glass being thrown. And it looks like broken glass.
Do you recognize where this was in the house?
Well, it looks like a bedside table, but I can't be certain.
Okay. Let's go to 1806. All right. Let's let's skip that one and let's go to 1808. Do you know what this depicts?
Wine spill.
Okay. All right. Now, you started to testify about, well, before we go there, in these pictures, would you say they accurately depict the damage that you saw that third morning?
No.
What else, why, how are they not accurately depicting?
Well, if you can believe it, this is it seems significantly cleaned up. There was much more damage, specifically broken glass. On the countertops, there was a lot of broken glass. I could feel it cutting my arms when I was trying to get up. And I could feel it underneath my feet. So I don't know when these pictures were taken, but there's been some cleanup.
Okay.